Going down, everybody. Today we are at beautiful Bremerton Motorsports Park doing some autocross novice day. I'm out here at the 3rd gen. Dexter's here and my buddy David's here, and it's raining, so it should be a slip slidey fun day. I'm excited. It'll be fun. I've never driven the car with Posy and all the suspension in the rain. My very first event I did was in the rain, and it was still a great time. So let's car's already teched. We'll run group 2. We're gonna go down and do a course walk, and then we'll get running. Maybe I'll just do a quick little intro. We're at a Bremerton SCCA auto event today. It's their novice school. Awesome intro to autocross. If you ever have the opportunity here at Bremerton Motorsports Park, you can look it up. The novice school, they have instructors, a ton of instructors. They break it down, explain all the cone layout for you. Are super, I mean, just awesome in getting this process on. Oops. Zoop, there we go. Getting you into this. You get a ton of runs, and it'll be a great day. So, all right, we'll get ready to get some runs in. Had an instructor in with me in the morning. I'll probably have an instructor back in with me again. Did pretty good, ran a 64, so we'll see. It's getting dry. See if I can run faster than that 64 right out of the gate first run. Getting ready for go number 1 at the end of, well, after lunch. So let's see if we can do better than that 64. Expensive tires. What do we run? 64.1. Okay, so a little faster. Well, we looped her out and we still picked up, I think I ran a 64.1, which my other 64 was like a 64.5, so it was still faster with the 360. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. Got a little bit of heat in the tires obviously after that one, and it was clean. I didn't hit anything even when I spun out. So
that was a
let's go for a 62
for the Mustang.
Clean. We were faster, even with a nice 360. Wanted to give you guys some style points. So let's see if we can have less style points and be even more fast. More faster? More faster. Faster. 58.3. Yes, we were definitely faster. I think we can do a 56. Well, next run, I'm going to drive Dexter's truck. He's going to drive my car. Currently, the old 3rd gen guy, hey guys, is driving Dexter's truck right now. There they go right there. So we'll see how old Steven does in Dexter's truck, and then we'll see how I do. Who do you think's going to be faster? Here's Steven. Let me comment. We ran a 58.3 last time with one cone. It was dirty, so I'm thinking let's go for a 57, a low 57. I think she's got it in her. Dexter? Well, Dexter's nice enough to let me drive the old F100, so bear with me. But Steven ran a 59 with a cone. He's saying it wasn't a cone, but I'm here and there was a cone. So 59, I don't think I'm gonna beat that because I'm not gonna be mean to Dexter's truck. But let's see what we can do. All right, so now I'm in Dexter's 79 F100 4.6 Pro Charge, and back behind me is the 3rd gen guy and Dexter in my 3rd gen. So let's thank you, Dexter, for letting me drive the truck. This is gonna be fun. I'm excited. Give me a little taste of my Ford I'm building. Ah, 62.4. All right, last run, man, that ride in Dexter's truck was a hoot. So, also, I think I beat Steven. We're gonna have to get some clarification. Mine was a clean 62, and it was a low 62. His was dirty. So, we'll see. We're going faster than a 57. That's our goal here, fellas. Definitely need to fix that wheel bearing. A 58? What? There is no way. Well, I guess I got slower my last run. I don't know how that was possible, but can't win them all. Great day. I don't know if we're gonna have some fun runs. Probably check that front wheel bearing, see how that is. That'll be definitely a tear apart, clean that bad boy up, make sure she's still good. She's making a little noise up there. Man, what an awesome time. Another amazing day out here at the track. 3rd gen did awesome. Like I said, I got a little wheel bearing issue going there on the passenger side, so we'll go home. We'll dig into that. But Dexter and David were out here. It was awesome hanging out with them all day. Got to get more of you guys and gals out here. Car did awesome. F100s did awesome. I can't wait for next year to get my truck out here. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked it, go ahead, like it. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because we got more stuff coming. Time to tear into that thing, get some more stuff done. We got a couple more events before we really dig into it, but we got some more brakes, we got some more suspension, and I need some more tire and some more power. We need lots more. Baby steps.